Hi, this is Manmad Krishna. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the scientific reasons behind the 7 steps of hand washing and hand sanitizing in food industry. We all know hand washing and hand sanitizing procedures, but in every step there is a scientific reason behind in it. Now, let us start the video. The first step is wash our hands with plain running water. Is warm water is beneficial than cool water? What the WHO guidelines says, what the FDA Food Code 2017 guidelines says about this thing. Yes, the warm water, it should be a temperature of at least 38 degrees centigrade to 42 or 45 degrees centigrade maximum, will give us better results to emulsify the soil, to emulsify the fats, to emulsify the organic waste which are present on the hands. So the warm water will help us to optimize the soap surface wetting agent activity. What is the difference between warm water and hot water? Is it both are same? No. Warm water means we can withstand. If hot water means above 50 degrees centigrade, so which will cause skin damage. So warm water is advisable. So that is why we should always wash our hands with warm water at a temperature of 30 to 40 degrees centigrade. Warm water is generally more comfortable than cool water. The water temperature used in hand washing can also affect the solubility or emulsification of soils. Warm water is more effective than cool water in removing fatty soils. An adequate flow of warm water will cause soap to lather and aid in flushing soil quickly from the hands. The 2017 FDA Food Code specifies that a hand washing sink shall be equipped to provide water at a temperature of at least 38 degrees centigrade through a mixing valve or a combination faucet. Then apply liquid soap instead of using plain hand wash liquid to get the added benefits. Nowadays people are using antiseptic, antimicrobial hand wash liquids. Is it true? Is there any added advantages? No, it's wrong. As per the FDA studies, research studies says that there are no any added advantage when you use antimicrobial or antiseptic hand wash soap or hand wash liquid instead of plain hand wash soap or liquid. According to the research study, plain hand wash or organic hand wash or chemical free hand wash is advisable, which can maintain the hand hygiene and which can prevent the transmitting of harmful diseases from one person to another or spreading of this pandemic also. Now the third step is lathering and scrubbing hands. Creates friction which helps lift dirt, grease and microbes from skin. Microbes are present on all surfaces of the hand, often in particularly high concentration under the nails, so the entire hand should be scrubbed. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Need a timer. Yes. The scrubbing time also will play a crucial role. Due to this pandemic time, so the CDC also valued the scrubbing time. Yeah, scrubbing time 20 to 30 seconds will denature the fatty layer of microbial organisms. Yes, it will inactivate the pandemic virus like COVID also. So inactivates. So this is the scientific reason behind the scrubbing of the hands. It will create heat and lift the darts between the fingers. Now the fourth step is rinse our hands in well cleaned running Warm water. Yes, it will remove all dirt, soil, and microbes also from the hands if you wash with gentle warm water. Now the fifth step is why we should dry our hands after washing. Yes, if our hands are wet, the germs can transform and it will contaminate. Our hands also can more easily contaminate from wet hands. Therefore, hands should be dried after washing. However, the best way to dry hands remains unclear because few studies about hand drying exist and the results of these studies conflict. It's not most of these studies compare overall concentration of microbes. So, disposable napkins to dry our hands. While choosing those napkins, we have to find the strength of the napkins. When we wipe out our hands, it should not shred the fragments on our hand. So quality napkins is advisable. Choose wisely. Now the sixth step is wearing disposable gloves. In food industry, natural gloves are advisable. Yes, the gloves should be free from powder. It should be water impermeability and puncture resistant also it should be. And the gloves also we have to provide small size, medium size, and big size also. Mostly some industries are providing common sizes of gloves for the employees workers. If the gloves are loose, chances of puncture. If the gloves are tight, chances of break. These are the reasons. Gloves should comfortably fit our hands, and mostly the nitrile gloves are advisable to use in seafood industries. That is the sixth step, wearing of disposable gloves. Then the last one is sanitizing our hands in a sodium hypochlorite solution or any disinfectants. Mostly the regulations says that sanitizing solution chlorine which contains around 20 ppm to 50 ppm that we have to validate as a QA team. Yes, and the hand contact time also will play a crucial role. As per the study, hand dipping time, hand sanitization time, minimum 5 seconds to maximum 15 seconds. If your concentration is 50 ppm sodium hypochlorite, then you can come down to 5 seconds or 7 seconds hand dip time or 10 seconds hand dip time. If your hand dip concentration is 20 ppm, then you have to maybe 10 seconds is required. We have to validate the hand sanitizing procedures, hand washing procedures by doing the swabbing study and by conducting the trend analysis also. And after dipping in the concentrated solution 20 ppm 50 ppm, then we have to neutralize the concentration by dipping 2 ppm chlorine solutions. So that's all about these 7 steps. And the chlorine residue also maybe every 2 hours or maybe within 4 hours we have to change the water in food dip as well as in hand dip also, because once we add the sodium hypochlorite chlorine in water, it will form as a hypochlorous acid and further it will deteriorate, and the concentration of the hypochlorous acid also, chlorine levels also will reduce in the water. So we have to validate that also, the concentration levels also, either every 2 hours or every 3 hours or 4 hours, maximum 4 hours. We have to change the sanitizer concentration in food dip as well as hand dip also. So that's all about the video, friends. If you like the video, click the like symbol and subscribe my channel for regular updates. Thank you.